Shalom on the subject of the curses for striking in secret and short selling. Is it striking in secret to inform another of the opportunity to profit from striking in secret?
Striking in secret? I don't understand what it means. Could you start all over again? Something is missing. I don't know. For me, go ahead, please.
Yeah. Again, our friend even added like some clarification for the.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go through clarification because it's not clear to me. Yeah, go ahead.
Yes. So, friend said, if needed clarification, if we do not engage in the practice of short selling and sabotage, is it still striking in secret if we teach ignorant criminals that they can do this if our hope is that they cause less violent harm in satiating their greed when they learn legal mechanisms of financial warfare?
I'm not sure where this person is going. I mean, to do a short sale is not a crime. Like it's financially, like it's allowed. So I'm not sure, like. I mean, the person is a criminal, and if we will teach them these things, which I'm not sure why person said it is forbidden. Maybe we need more details. I'm not sure.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
we need more like more specific example, like what kind of activity, like why he's criminal, or what is going to help him or not going to help him. Okay.
Okay, so back to the first question.
Mm-hmm.
One of short selling.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So our friend says, is short selling with sabotage striking in secret?
I'm not sure.
It is
Sabotage, striking in secret. But short sell, there is no. If we're talking about the stock market, there is no problem. There is no striking in secret. Maybe like, okay, go ahead.
Striking in secret. Then it says, if it is it still striking in secret to teach it to another person?
So maybe I'm just guessing from the question, but maybe we're not talking about maybe we're not talking about stock market, but we're talking about like business transaction. So person sells something that he does not have, right? Like it's short sell, and why? Because like he wants to sell, right? Get like some money back, right? And take this money and pay the supplier, right? And buy it for the buyer. I mean, is it allowed to do that? I think that's what like many companies do, right? That they don't have in stock, right? But they sell you, right? And then place order into to the supplier, and sometimes it even is a drop shipment, right? You send them money, but they pay the third party, and the third party is going to deliver to you. So did they have this item in their stock when they sell it to you? No. So it's also in some sense it's short sale in some sense. Right? They sold you something that they don't have because after they got the money they can order for you in another place. So I don't like unless it would be specific example. I'm not sure how is it like breaking the law or something. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.